Hello friends and family, welcome to Mr. Nice Entertainment TV. How are you doing today? I hope you're fine. First of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Mr. Nice TV. Today we have a brand new episode arranged for you. As we all know, you guys know our culture, our tradition. It's for you to bring out your Bible and your book. As I am teaching you, you will be updating it, writing it down. And don't forget, whatever you wrote down, you're going to use it to teach your father, your mother, your brothers, sisters, auntie, uncle, every family member. But most important thing of all is our generation. What do we mean by our generation? Our little one, our little child, that are just coming up. So you have to let them know this is our culture, this is our tradition. This is our mother's tongue, dialect language, which we all know. This is where we grew up. So it's a language that can never be forgotten. So today we will be discussing on name of things in Esan language. In other way, translating from English to Esan. So example number one, we have strong. In English language we call it strong. In Esan language, we call it utotomi. For something to be strong. This is what we mean by strong. Utotomi in Esan language. So I hope you have got your Bible and your pen. So without wasting much time, I think we can go now. Are we ready to go? Good. So number one on the list, we have strong. For something to be strong. In Esan language, we call it utotomi. So that thing is very strong. So we are moving on. And number two of the list, we have hard. What is hard in Esan language? Hard in Esan language means okakami. Means ukakami. Yeah, for something to be hard. We say only mini kakabo. Ukakami. Then we have before. Before in Esan language simply means okwese. Before the time reach. Okwesonege vai. Okwesonege by. It simply means okwese. That's what we call before. Then we have after. After in Esan language, it simply means okwegbera. After. This is Esan. This is our language, this is our dialect. It's very important to every Esan son and daughter worldwide. After or where we what we call after in Esan language. And we have straight. For something to be straight. For something to be straight in English is called straight. Then in Esan language we have udiami. So this is very straight. Only we now will see which we call straight. So that's what we mean by straight. Then we have correct. What is correct in Esan? Correct in Esan means ugbami. That's what we mean by correct. Yeah, I can only mean bagbe. This thing is too correct. So that's what we mean by correct in Esan language, ugbami. We have stubborn. What is stubborn in Esan language? For someone to be stubborn. A child is very stubborn, this man is very stubborn, likewise a woman. Sometimes women are stubborn. So we call stubborn in Esan language iwoweho, or in another way iwo. Iwoweho. So look at iwoweho. This little child, boy or girl, is very stubborn. So that's what we mean by stubborn in Esan language. Iwoweho. Then we have wicked. What is wicked in Esan? Wicked in Esan language is simply mean oriebe. That person is very wicked. Oriebe. Oriebe. No more see here. Natural oriebe. Wicked person. I don't know what more wicked also say. We have surprise. What do we mean by surprise? Surprises everywhere. In Esan language, we call it Ohainlo. You are moving Ohainlo. That is called surprising thing. I'm so surprised. I'm living Ohainlo. How will I go about it? Surprise means Ohainlo. For something to surprise you, or for you to be surprised in something, you call it Ohainlo. Then we move ahead a little bit. We have dance. For somebody to dance, shake body. Dance simply means Ishe. That's what we call dancing Esan. And we have those. Example, who are the people? Those people there. Those simply mean a name. Those people, Enewuni. So we call those people a name, Enewuni. We have we. Who are we? In Esan language, we are Ima. That is group of us standing in one place discussing. This is called we. We people. We are the one. Ima, Imano, Ima Enevo. And we have us. Us simply means Osema. This thing belongs to us. Only mean Osema, no. So after us we have R. R simply means Osema, which is this is R. This is our book. This is our books. Osema only bina. Osema. So we have believe. What is believe? Believe means uriowo. For someone to believe in something, to believe on somebody, that's what we mean by believe. In Esan language, we call it uriowo, for someone to have belief. Then after that, we have heaven. Heaven. Heaven means egwaoku. Egwaoku, as we might call it. Heaven in Esan language means egwaoku or egwaoku. After we have earth. Earth means uto. Agbawoni malanye. In English we call it planet Earth. So in Esan language, makiyo uto. So it don't matter. We have egg. Egg in Esan language means ekin. Maybe we have ekinho, which is fowl egg. We have bird's egg, turkey egg, different kind of egg. So the L generally means ekin. So if you want to pronounce the egg to maybe chicken, fowl, bird, even lizard sometimes. So you pronounce the thing according to what you are pronouncing it to. So generally, egg in English language means ekin in Esan language. Then we have a minute. Your time will be calculated. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. In Esan language, we call it ihwelo. 10, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes in your wristwatch or in your clock. In Esan language, we call it ihwelo. We have time. In Esan language, we call it eri. Time means eri. Ekere ayi. That's what we call time in Esan language. And we have a ju. Ju. In Esan language, we call it uwe. Uwe no, you are the one. We call it ju in Esan language. We have money. Morning, afternoon, evening. In the morning of it, we call it ewe, which is morning of the day. And after morning of the day, we have afternoon. Afternoon simply means odame, which is afternoon. Then we have evening. Evening means osemwa, which is we have osewe, osodane, osemwa. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Evening simply means in language emwa, osemwa. And we have a night as well. Night, assassin, when everywhere is so dark, Sometimes we see moon in the sky, sometimes we see all the stars, sometimes we don't see anything, so it simply means Esan, Esan. We have money. Money in Esan language, generally called ego. Ego in Esan language. That's what we call money. Happy. For someone to be happy. In Esan language, we call it ego. For someone to be happy, we call it ego in Esan language. We have Lord. What is Lord in Esan language? It simply means Ebianle, which is it's a title for a wife to give to her husband, or normally we call it in Christendom we call Lord, which is the head of things. In Christendom, Jesus Christ happened to be our Lord because He's the head of all churches. So in family, women, wives, call their husband Lord because they are the head of the house, which is the head of the family. That's what we call Lord. Then we have praise. Praise means ugeni, to praise someone. In Christendom we call it praise. Singing, praising God. So in house, which is a family, praise means for a wife to be praising her husband, or husband praising his wife. So they did something great or something marvelous. That's what we call praise. Then we have okro. Okro means in Esan language we call it ishawo. We normally use in cooking soups. So in Esan language we call it ishawo. Then we have corn, oka. So these items are simply found in the farm, in the garden. Corn. In Esan language we call it oka. Then we have pear. Pear means onumu, although we have a different kind of pear. Let me finish it and I'll go to the next one. Pear means onumu. So the next one we have avocado pear. Avocado pear means oluebo in Esan language. That kind of pear that comes in green nature. I will call avocado pear. And we have melon. Melon in Esan language is called ikbogi. Ikbogi. Where do we find ikbogi? First of all, when it's coming, it comes like can I call it a fruit, something like fruit? Then you break it into two, you keep it for some days, then you go there to watch it come. That's the story. I believe Esan sons and daughters know more about that, which we call melon, which is ikbogi. Then we have crayfish. Crayfish simply means is nofwa in Esan language. Crayfish. Then we have fish itself. Fish means in Esan language. We have spoon. What is spoon? Spoon simply means ubake. Spoon to eat rice, to eat different kind of maybe drink tea, anything of that nature. So we call it ubake in Esan language. Then we have plate. Plate means upomaku. Plate to eat, broken plate, stainless plate. They are all plate. So in Esan language we call all these upomaku. So guys, I hope you have learned something so far. That we have taught you today. By the grace of God, you know why we are here, to educate us. Most of us have forgotten more about Esan study, so we are here to refresh your brain, your memory. And I hope I'm not teaching in vain. So guys, we'll be ending it here, and I hope you will join us in our next episode. So we say goodbye to every one of us, our friends, family, for they that will be subscribing to our channel. Wow, it's a big thanks to you all. And even if you haven't subscribed yet, we urge you. So guys, people are watching but they are not subscribing. See guys, do me a favor, press your subscription button. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. They already pay money for this one. Just you'll be getting all our video anytime we upload. You see, guys, it's very important you guys subscribe and comment is very important. If you tell us how we're doing, if we are doing good, you let us know. If we are not doing good, you have to also let us know by your comment, share, like. So I hope this very video we attract you to subscribe, like, share, comment, even recommend to friends and family. So guys, we call it a day, and I hope to see you next time in our next video. So I pray for you. God should keep you safe and sound. In Jesus' mighty name, amen. So bye bye.